Good morning, student. Live now. So Matthew and Anika has joined. Is my audio and video clear? Nikita and Navya has joined. Nikita and Navya. So as you are joining, I want you to bring your graphs because today we are going to do graphical questions of reflection. So I want you to draw the graphs along with me. Only then you'll be able to understand these questions in a better way. Okay, so I'm going to start. First question you can see on my screen. Use a graph paper for this question. Take 2 centimeter. See, in your exam, you will be getting 2 centimeter graph only. So plot the points. So we have to plot these points on the graph. A is equals to 0, 4, B 2, 2, C is 5, 2, D is 4, 0, and E is 0, 0. So these are the points which we have to plot on the graph. So let's do this. Okay, so first point A is 0, comma 4. So 0, 4. So x value is 0. That means at 0 you have to keep straight up. You have to go till 4. Because on y axis, so 0, 4. 0, 4, 0, 4. That means the point lies on y axis. X value is 0. Next one is 2, comma 2. So on x-axis you look at 2 and straight vertically up we have to go. So here you will get this point. This is 2, 2. You have to mark on the graph also. You can see the way I am marking, same way mark the graph. The next point is C point, 5, 2. So this is point A, that also you write. This is point B. Next point is C. C is 5, 2. So on x-axis here I don't have 5. I'll just plot. Still I'll plot. So here somewhere 5 might be. So 5 comma 2 somewhere here it will come. So because of the less space, because on my graph space is not there, so I'm just plotting. So because if I extend this line, 5 will come here on x-axis. Then D point 40. Point D is 40. 40 means on x-axis this point will lie and y's value is 0. So here it is point D. The next one is 0, 0. Point E. 0, 0 is origin. So here I have marked this is origin. 0, 0. So you can see as I am marking points, so I am writing the points as well as the alphabets given to us. So A, B, C, D, E. I have all points I have marked. Now next what we have to do, I hope you have marked the points along with me. Then next plot the points. So first part is done. Reflect B, C, D on y-axis. So which points you have to reflect? B, B we have to reflect. Then first of all write down the points, then you write there, then you plot on the graph because then it will be correct. So B, C and D. B, C, D we have to reflect on the y-axis. So yx is reflection if we are doing. So point y will remain same and x sign we have to change. So y will remain same. So b dash point 2 x will change. So 2 will change to -2. Y is same. Y's coordinate is 2. It will remain same for C dash and D dash. They have mentioned here, marked these points as B dash, C dash and D dash. So here Y point, Y coordinate is remaining same. So I am writing that. So X is going to be changed. So this 5 will change to -5 and 4 will change to -4. So let's plot this now. One second here. Because I need -5. So once again, I'm just going to plot the numbers. You can just plot the reflected points and see, because my graph space is little less. So 5 x value 5 is not there. So I just have to mark. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 I'll mark 1, -4. So here 5 and here this side -5 I'm marking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So points I'll just remark fast. So 0, 4, 0, 4. This is point A. Then point B is 2, 2. Here is point B. C is 5, 2. 5, 2 is here. It's point C. And then D is 4, 0. 4, 0 is here, point D. Then E point is on origin. So this is point E. Now the reflected points also I have marked. So B dash is -2. B dash is -2, comma 2. So here B dash will come. On x-axis we have to see -2 vertically up we have to go. So this is B dash -2, comma 2. So you can write down. Now we have C dash -5, comma 2. So C dash -5, here it will come -5, comma 2. Then we have D dash -4, 0. -4, 0. So here, this is D dash. So second question is also done. Now they're telling, so first two done. First question we have to plot the points, and second question reflections we have to do. So B dash is equals to -2, comma 2, C dash -5, 0 and D dash -4. Yes, so third one we have to do now. Join the points A, B, C, D, D dash. So the order they have mentioned in the same order only you have to join. So they have mentioned this order A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, D dash, C dash, B dash, D dash, C dash, B dash and A. So let's join with the help of scale. You have to join. So AB you have to join. So AB, and then B with C you have to join. B with C. The way they have mentioned, same way only you have to join. Then C with D you have to. C with D. In the same order you have to join. D with D dash. D and D dash. So it will be on x-axis itself. C dash. So here we have C dash. Then this C dash with B dash. And this with A. Yes. So we have joined all the points, and this is the figure we have boat. Okay, the way we used to bake with the paper, that type of figure is. So they have mentioned give a geometrical name to the closed figure. So which type of geometrical name we will give? So Jayashree has mentioned boat. Shall we mention like that, something like that? So the figure is like this. So what is the name we should give? It's boat, or I can feel crown also. But anything you can mention, but it's a closed figure. The most accurate one. Is there any other name someone wants to give? Crown. Okay, I want to tell the most accurate, because this is a closed figure. This is a closed figure. So closed figures we always say polygons. We always says polygons. So you can mention here how many sides are there. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can also mention a seven-sided polygon. Seven-sided polygon. So whichever type of polygon you are getting here, you can mention seven-sided polygon, because here it's a closed figure, it's a polygon and it has seven sides. So we have completed first question. Let's do second question. So second question is again graphical question. Let us draw the graph. So let us draw graph of this question. So graph we have to draw for each and every question, because the graphical question you can expect a 5-mark question in your exam as well. So I'm just writing the points on x and y axis. Then we'll start the question. So my graph is complete. I'll just mark this is x-axis and this one is y-axis. Graph scale also you can mention in this type of questions and in all the questions. How to mention graph scale in previous also I didn't do. I'll just write here. See, graph scale you have to write for both the axis, you have to do for x-axis and for y-axis. So x-axis, mostly on your graph 10 divisions you are taking. 10 divisions here, how much you are taking? 10 divisions is equals to 1 unit. 10 divisions 1 unit. So 1 division it will be this 10 you are bringing down. So 1 by 10 unit. 1 by 10 unit. So this will become 0.1 unit. So graph scale, whenever you are doing graphical question, don't forget to write graph scale. So for both the axis, x-axis as well as y-axis. Y-axis also 10 divisions here. For graphs of reflection, we are always doing the same because we are not assuming anything from our side. The graph will be same. It will always be 1 unit. This 10 divisions we will always be assuming as 1 unit. So 1 division, it will be like 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Then this 10 will shift to other side. So this is zero point 0.1 unit. You can write at the right corner of your graph. Here at this space you can write the graph scale. Now let's do next question. Next question also same graph scale you can write the way I have mentioned here. So it's mentioned point PAB is there. So P point is there which is reflected in y-axis and we got P dash minus 3, 1. P dash we got minus 3, comma 1. So let us mark this point first of all. So minus 3 on x-axis you have to locate straight up, you have to go till 1. So here we got point minus 3, 1 and this point's name is P dash. Name of this point is P dash. Now you have to remember this point is the reflection. This point is the reflection. P dash is a point when some point AB, it got reflected in y-axis. When point AB it got reflected in y-axis. So 3 comma minus 3 comma 1. So reflection has taken place in the y-axis. So if the reflection is done in the y-axis, so what will be the coordinates of P? What will be the coordinates of P? So some point is there P, coordinates are AB. If reflection is happening in y-axis, y will remain same. Y will remain same and that means x would have changed. So x would have changed from 3 to minus 3 and y is same only. So this is the coordinates of P. How to write the coordinates? I have already told you. So plotting you can do. Before plotting, try to write the coordinates. Don't plot the coordinates directly. So because the reflection happened in y-axis, so 1 will remain same, y will remain same and x coordinate would have changed from 3 to negative 3. So coordinates of P are 3, 1. So Navya has given the answer, good. So they have mentioned P is a reflection, so write down the values of A and B. So we will write here A, this is A, this is B. So that means A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 1. Since they have mentioned like that, so you have to mention the value of A is 3, value of B is 1. So we can plot also. So let's plot P also. So A is 3 and B is 1. So here point P will come. Point P 3 comma 1. Now it's done. Now P double dash. P double dash is the image of P. So P is again we are getting one more image. We are getting one more image of P. So P is 3. P point is 3, 1. We are getting one more image of P which is P double dash is an image of P when reflected in the x-axis. When reflected in the x-axis. So if reflection is happening in the x-axis, so x will remain same. So you write x as it is. If reflection is happening in x-axis, so x coordinate will remain same. Y coordinate sign will change. So this 1 will change to minus 1. So these things we have already discussed. So we have found the value of p double dash coordinates. So we have written down. So let's plot it on the graph also. So 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. So here we have p. So 3 comma minus 1 if I plot. So on x I have to locate 3 and vertically down I have to go here. So here I have the point p double dash. Its value is 3 comma minus 1. So this is also done. Now we have to do third part of the question. So first is done, second is done. Now p triple dash. P triple dash is another point. When P is reflected in the line, so P is now again reflected in some line. So it is reflected in the line x is equals to 5. P is reflected and we are getting the point P triple dash. So these type of points we have to plot. Then only we'll get the coordinates of P. So let's do first of all x is equals to 5 we have to draw the line. X is equals to 5. So x is equals to A form of line is there. These type of lines are vertical lines. These type of lines are vertical lines, or you can say the lines which are parallel to y-axis. The lines are parallel to y-axis. So x is equals to 5. Let's draw this line. So I just need, because again on my graph this 5 point, because graph is very small, so x is equals to 5 point will come somewhere here. And here we have to draw one line, because from this line I have to do the reflection. So I have drawn the line. It's outside the graph. You have to draw in the graph because I don't have space here. So this line is x is equals to 5. This line is x is equals to 5. This is on x-axis. Because of space, because of less space, I'm just drawing down. I'm not doing on the graph. But you have to do on the graph only. Don't follow me as it is, because you might be having a lot of space. So P's reflection we have to do from this line. So here I'll write few more point. This is 5, this is 6, 7, 8. And anyone can post the answer also if you have done. So point P is here. Point P is here. P is 3 comma minus 1. Its reflection we have to do from this line, the line which I have drawn now. I've just extended my x-axis. See, if point P is on this side of the graph, if point P on this side, so P will be on other side. So that means P triple dash will be on this side, because this is object, this is image. They both should be on different sides of the mirror line. So this line is now acting as a mirror line. So here you have to count the distance. So distance of this point from x-axis. So this is 1, 2. So 3 to 4 is 1 unit, 4 to 5 is 1 unit. So 2 units distance is there. So same distance it will be on other side of the graph. So 1 to 2, that means 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. 5 to 6 and 6 to 7 it will be 2 units. So here you will get the point. Here you will get, so Jayashree has given the point 7 comma 1. Yes, so that's correct. So you can see of this point I have gotten here opposite to 7 along x-axis and opposite to 1 along y-axis. So this point is P triple dash and it is 7 comma 1. Yes, even Harry has given the answer. Yes, so this question is completed. We just had to find the coordinates after different reflections. So here we have completed this question. Let's do next question now. Okay, so let me prepare the graph first. So this graph I am just going to prepare because we have to do And don't forget to write graph scale. Graph scale, I have told you one for one question. The same one you have to write for each and every question of reflection. In case of reflection, graph scale is not going to change. It will be always same. For first question, I have told you the same one only you have to write for each and every question. So this is x-axis, horizontal line is x-axis, right side positive values, left side negative values, upper side is positive y-axis, the lower side is negative y-axis. So I have plotted the points. Let's start question now. So question number 3 we are doing. So use the graph sheet for this question. So sometimes it will be mentioned the graph, which unit graph. So that will be there in your board exams also, but you will be getting 2 centimeter graph. Okay, so what is point A? Plot the points. So A point we have to plot 3 comma 2 and B point we have to plot 5 comma 0. And then reflect. First of all, let's plot the points 3 comma 2. Point 8 is 3 comma 2. So on x-axis we have to locate the point and we have to go vertically up till point 2. So here we'll get point A. This is 3 comma 2. So point A I have plotted. Next point is point B 5 comma 0. Again 5 comma 0 it will be along x-axis. So I'm just extending my line. So here on x-axis I will be getting this point. Because 5 comma 0 means y's value is 0 on this point. So this point lies on x-axis. The point 5 comma 0 is of this form, x comma 0. If the point is of this form, that means the point will lie on x-axis because y is 0. So this point is point B. So both the points I have plotted. Now we have to do reflection. So reflect A on the y-axis. So reflection of A we have to do on y-axis and we will get A dash. We'll get A dash. So first of all we'll write, then we will plot on the point. So y-axis means y will remain same. The same one you write it down first. Y-axis means y point will remain same. X sign will get changed. So minus 3 comma 2 it will be minus 3 comma 2. So A dash coordinate is minus 3 comma 2. So let's plot it. All the points whichever you are getting, you just keep on plotting on the graph paper. So on x-axis locate minus 3. So this is minus 3 and you just have to go up till 2. So this is minus, so I've just plotted it wrong. So minus 3 comma 2. So here it will be, and this point is A dash minus 3 comma 2. So let's see what is the next part. So A part is done. We have plotted A and B points. Reflection of A to A dash also we have done and we found the coordinates of A dash minus 3, 2. Now reflect B on the line A dash. So B also we have to do reflection, but through which line we have to do? In which line we have to do reflection? A dash. So you have to understand here, reflection will not always be in x-axis or y-axis or origin. It can be from different lines also, like previously we did from this line x is equals to 5. Now reflection we have to do from this line A dash. A dash means we have to join point A and A dash. We have to join point A and A dash and we'll get one line segment. When we will join A and A dash, we'll get one line segment. And from this one, we have to do the reflection. I have just joined. And that means this line will act as a mirror line. This line will act as a mirror line. So I'll just extend this one. Because point B is reflection, we have to do from this one. So reflect point B on the line A dash to B dash. So B dash coordinates will write then. So B is here, B is on this side, that means B dash will be on other side. Just remember, wherever side B is there, on the other side only B will be, its image will be there. Object and image, the initial point and its image will be on different sides. So this line is now acting as mirror line. This line is now acting as mirror line. So you have to see what is the distance between this point and this line. So here 0 to 1, if you go, it's 1 unit, 1 to 2, 2 units. That means this line is at a distance of 2 units from this point, is at a distance of 2 units from this line. This line is AA dash. This is AA dash line. Now on the other side I have to get, so other side 2 units I have to go. So 2 to 3 is 1 unit, 3 to 4 is another unit. So here we'll plot the point, here we'll plot the point. So point 2 units away from the line AA dash. So we'll get B dash over here, and the value of the coordinates, we can see along x-axis it is 5, along x-axis it is 5, and y-axis it is 4. Yes, so Tarun, Jayashree and Monish has given the answer before me, 5 comma 4. So we got the coordinates of B dash as well. So it's 5, 4. So B is done. Then name the closed figure A dash B dash AB. A dash B dash AB. So in this order we have to, in this order only we have to join A dash B dash AB. So sometimes here it is not mentioned, that means still you have to form a closed figure only. It's not mentioned here as A dash. So it will not be mentioned always when we are saying quadrilateral ABC, CD. So it's understood that point D we will join with A. So don't get confused. Always the last and first you join it. The here last and here the first one. You have to join it, so then only we'll be getting the closed figure. So let's join now. A to A dash we have already joined, and no, we have to join A dash to B dash. So here A dash to B dash I have to join. Then B dash to A, B dash we have to join with A. Then A dash, B dash, B dash with A with B, A with B we have to join. This is also some different kind of figure we are getting here. A to B I have joined, and B to A also we have to join. B to A dash, because the last and the first one also you have to join. The last and first one also you have to join. So these points also we will join. So what we are getting? What's the name? Head of an arrow. So it's this kind of figure, like arrow. So it's like this. So geometrical name you also try to give. You can mention like arrow and like this. So it is how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 5 or 4? It's 4 only. One side is A dash, B dash, A dash, B, AB dash and AB. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. Yes, so four-sided polygon you can write. Four-sided polygon. Both ways you can mention, but the best way it's to write in the form of geometrical name. So write like four-sided polygon. Let's do next question. Okay, so next question. Next question is our question number, which one we have done? Question number 3. So question number 4, this is not 1. So this is question number 4. So fourth question of today's class. So I hope the questions are easy, only you have to do it carefully so that the points which you are getting, these points correctly you should get. Sign mistake should not happen here. So let me prepare graph first and then I'll be just doing the questions. Meantime, you can also prepare the graph. So horizontal x-axis, vertical y-axis, point of intersection is origin, right side positive values, left side negative values, upper side positive values of y-axis, lower side negative values of y-axis. So mention this is x-axis and this one is y-axis. Horizontal x-axis, vertical y-axis. So let's start our question now. Use the graph sheet to do this question. So we have to first of all plot the points. So which points we have to plot? Point A, this is 1, 2. Point B, this is 1, 1. Point C, this is 2, 1. So these points we have to plot. Let us do. So 1, comma 2. Point A is 1, comma 2. So on x-axis locate 1. On x-axis locate 1 and then go till 2 vertically up. So this is 1, comma 2, point A. Point A 1, comma 2. Then we have point B 1, 1. Point B is 1, 1. Here we have point B 1, comma 1. So I'm just plotting. Then we have the next point. C point is 2, comma 1. So on x-axis 2. So here because of space I am not writing. Make sure you are writing. So this is 2, comma 1. So here it will be 2, 1. So write all the points like the way I have written here. So first part is done. Plotting of point is done. So reflect A, B, C about y-axis. So reflections I have to do along y-axis. So reflection in the y-axis we have to do of these 3 points and then we have to name them as A dash, B dash, C dash. A dash, B dash, C dash. So y-axis means y will remain same. Y will remain same. So this is 2. First of all, write down the same coordinate. So x value will change. It will change from positive to negative. So negative 1. Same way for coordinate B also, because reflection is in y-axis. So y point will remain same. X will change again from 1 to minus 1. C point also reflection in y-axis. So y will remain same. 2 will change from 2 to negative 2. The sign will be changed. Sign will be changed. So let's plot these points and name them. So let us plot also these points on the graph. So minus 1, 2. I'm just plotting minus 1, comma 2. So this is A dash. Then we have minus 1, comma 1, B dash. Minus 1, 1. Here it will be. This is point B dash. Then I have minus 2, comma 1. So this point is C dash. I'm just right. You have to write the points as well. So second one is also done. Whichever points you are finding, find the points and locate on the graph as well. Third point, reflect A, B, C. A, B, C also we have to reflect. A dash, B dash, C dash also we have to reflect about x-axis. So now all these reflections A, B, C, D, A, B, C, A dash, B dash, C dash. So these reflections we have to do. These reflections we have to do in the x-axis. So I'll just rewrite these points. X-axis reflection means x will remain same and the sign of y coordinate will change. x-axis will remain same. The point of x-axis, the x-axis coordinate means abscissa will remain same, ordinate will change. So 1 2 1 1 2 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 2 1. Yes. So we'll just, so x1 will remain same, y will change 2 2 minus 2. So this point is a double dash, a double dash, then b double dash will get, this is x will remain same, y will change, the sign of y will change, so 1 2 minus 1. So this is c double dash, x will remain same, this is 2, y will change, x-axis reflection we are doing, so that means x will remain same. So a double dash, here it will be a triple dash, so x will remain same, y will change from 2 to minus 2, b triple dash, x will remain same, y will change, c triple dash, x will remain same, y will change, because reflection in x-axis we are doing. So I have written all the points, I have written all the points. So let us plot also, then we will join. So a double dash is 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma minus 2, 1 on x-axis 1, down you have to do, vertically down you have to go, opposite to minus 2. So this point is a double dash, then b double dash is 1 comma minus 1. So 1 comma minus 1, here I have plotted, this is b double dash. Then we have c double dash 2 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 1. Here it is. This point is C double dash. I'm just plotting all the points. You can also plot and we'll see after joining what we'll get. A triple dash minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2. Here we are getting A triple dash. Then we are B triple dash minus 1 minus 1. This is B triple dash minus 1 minus 1. Then C triple dash minus 2 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1. This is C triple dash. So I have plotted all the points. So many points are there. We just have to join. Let's see what's the order, in which order I have to join. So this is ABC. So how we have to join? ABC, ABC, C double dash, B double dash, A double dash, C double dash, B double dash, A double dash, because in this order only we have to join. A triple dash, B triple dash, A triple dash, B triple dash, C triple dash, then C dash, B dash, A dash, C dash, B dash, A dash. So last and first point also you have to join. Last and first one also you have to join. So let's join all the points. So A with B. First of all, A with B, because A, B, C they have written. So A with B we have to do. So A, B I have joined. Then they have mentioned C, B with C. So here C point is this. So B with C, then C with C double dash. So this is point C. C with C double dash. So with the help of scale you have to join C double dash with B double dash. So these 2 points. Let's see what we'll get. Then this with A double dash, B double dash with A double dash I am joining. If anyone has done this one, you can tell what we are getting, what's the geometrical name. So A double dash with A triple dash, A double dash with A triple dash, then with B triple dash, then with C triple dash, Then with C dash, C dash, B dash, A dash. C dash with B dash and B dash with A dash. So 12-sided polygon. Okay, let us check. And last ones also you have to join A dash with A. Because it's a closed figure, the last and the first point always you have to join. There should not be any confusion. So it's like a doctor's plus sign also. We can say it's like this only. So plus sign, and in mathematical, in geometrical form also we can write. So it is how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, so other way it's a 12-sided polygon. So everyone has got the same type of polygon. Okay, let's do next question. That will be the last question. Then I'll give you one question for your practice. Because I hope you have got the idea now which type of question. It is not always you will be getting when they are telling join the points and get the write the geometrical name. You will not be always getting quadrilaterals like rectangle, rhombus, or trapezium. You might get some different type of figures also. So here you can see whichever questions we have done, we are getting some different types of geometrical figures only. We are not getting the common ones. So let's do next question. Okay, let me prepare graph first. You can also do the same. So this is, so same type of questions you can expect in the exam also. So almost everything I have covered. So this is question number 5. So question 5 of today's class. So I'll just draw the graph and then we'll start our question. Same thing you can also do. So x-axis and y-axis I am going to draw now. So it's done. I'll just write the points now. So negative side, upper side is positive y-axis, lower side is negative y-axis. Okay, let's do. It's done now. So this is x-axis. So x dash you can write. This is y-axis. So upside y, lower side y dash you can write. Okay, let us do this question now. Plot the graph. So points are there. So A is 0, 5, B is 3, 0, C 1, 0, D 1, negative 1. So first of all we have to plot the following points. Let us plot. So A is 0, negative 5. So 0, negative 5 means on y-axis it will come where x value is 0. So here this is point A. This point A. The point lies on y-axis. Because x value is 0 here. Then B is 3, 0. B is 3, 0. So 3, 0 lies on x-axis. because value y is 0 and then C is 1 0. C point also lies on x-axis because the value y is 0 for this one. D is 1 minus 5. D is 1 minus 5. So on x-axis we have to locate 1 and straight down we have to go vertically down till minus 5. So here we have point D. So you have to write the coordinates also. Why I am not writing? Because of the less space. Like this point D I have written, write down the coordinates also. So I have plotted the points now. After plotting of points, let's see what we have to do. So we have to reflect B, C, D on y-axis and name them as B dash, C dash, D dash. So B dash, C dash, D dash. Only these points on in y-axis we have to reflect. These points B, C, D only we have to reflect in y-axis and we'll get B dash, C dash, D dash. So y-axis means y will remain same. So this is 0. So x will change. So 3 0 will get, and here also we'll get 1 0 only, and because y axis means y will remain same, x will change. So x here if we are changing, so by mistake I wrote, so x will change. So 3 will change to minus 3, 1 will change to minus 1. So b dash is minus 3 0, c dash is minus 1 0. So d dash again minus 1 will change to minus 1, minus 5 will remain same. Y point will remain same. So let us see now b dash minus 3 comma 0. Minus 3 comma 0. So it will lie on x-axis only. So b dash we can write here. Then c dash is minus 1 0, minus 1 0. Again it is lying on x-axis only. So this point is C dash, minus 1 0. This point lies on x-axis only. So y's value is 0. Then the third point D is minus 1 minus 5. D is minus 1 minus 5. So here it will be minus 1 minus 5. So this is D dash. So we have gotten here points and we have plotted also. Now what we have to do, reflection is done. First part is done. Second is also done. Write down the coordinates of B dash, C dash, D dash. So that's also done. We have written the coordinates of B dash, C dash and D dash. That's also done. Now we have to join points A, B, C, D, D dash, C dash, B dash, A. So A, B, C, D, I'll just write here. In the same way, I have to join A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, D dash, C dash, B dash, D dash, after D, because same order we have to do D dash, C dash, B dash, D dash, C dash, B dash, A. Yes, so this last one is A. Let us join now. Let's join. With the help of scale, you have to join. So A, B, C. So A with B, B with C. So A, B I am joining. So in the same order you have to join whenever they have mentioned to get this figure. So AB, B with C, C with D, CD, then D with D dash, D and D dash, then D dash with C dash, D dash and C dash, C dash with B dash, and B dash with A. So here it's done. So what we are getting? Seven-sided polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So we are getting seven-sided polygon here. And it looks like an arrow also. You can write both as well. Arrow head. No, this is full arrow. Arrow and seven-sided polygon. Both you can write. So here we have completed this question as well. Let's see, everything is done. Yes. So it's done. So one question which I am not going to do. This question you can take a screenshot and you can try this question. Just take screenshot and try this question. Have you taken the screenshot of this one? So this is question number 6. Sixth one I am giving you for yourself to do. Our question number 6. I hope you have taken screenshot. Take one more question, that will be question number 7. So two questions I am giving, two questions for practice. You can do these questions and whatever figures you are getting, you can write. You can post your answers also. If anyone has any doubt, you can just tell me. So here we have completed reflection also. So tomorrow we'll be doing the new topic. I'll let you know which topic we are going to do tomorrow. If any doubt is there, you can tell me, or else we'll wrap this class today. Okay, so I'm just going to end the class. Bye everyone.